I got a fun fact about pineapple. Did you know that they will use pineapple and pineapple juice to treat cholera in certain parts of the world that have access to pineapples? Hey, it's Dr. Anna Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. Why is that important? The reason that's important is that your body makes a protein called zonulin that is extremely similar to cholera toxin. And zonulin, as it turns out, if it's made in high enough amounts in your intestinal tract, can be the leading source of most chronic human illness. Now, if pineapple juice has a protein in it called bromelain, which is a enzyme that breaks up proteins. If pineapple juice contains an enzyme that can break up cholera toxin, then it is possible that pineapple juice with that same enzyme can break up a toxin that looks almost identical to cholera toxin that your body makes normally, that is the source of all chronic human illness. So if you like pineapple, let me encourage you to consume it. It is high in sugar. It may dork up your blood sugar. If you're sensitive to carbohydrates and blood sugar issues, bromelain is an over-the-counter digestive enzyme. And in fact, the new digestive product that we are about to come out with has this very digestive enzyme in it. And as it turns out, might have more health benefits than you think. As you can see, I'm on a pretty important mission to spread the word, and you can help me by subscribing to our channel, sharing it with friends, hitting that notification button, and finding me on other social media channels such as YouTube and Rumble at Dr. Anna Toker, and I hope to see you there.